Hi, this is Mr. Wannock to serve you. Good morning, dear friends. Well, as I warned you over the weekend, a bear market is in the making. Big drop to around 2,920, which happens to be the 61.8% retracement of the last move up, and which happens to coincide with a line, a big support line that comes in at 2,920. So it is well possible that we stop here, even if I would give, on the longer run, you know my bearish convictions, I think it's a buying opportunity around here. Sorry. This morning, I bought 25,000 Société Générale at, I think, 14.16. And I bought, just for the fun of it, 1,000 LVMH at 3.68. And I will be buying some other stocks like L'Oréal, which I love, and I'm looking at Roche, who's a little bit under pressure, great company. And Nestle is always a very good investment. A lot of very rich people are in there. Gold stinks to my, but I still have my 5,000 ounces, huh? I can afford it, and it's a good protection. And someone who I liked asked me how much should one hold in gold. At least 10%. At least 10%. And if things really go bad, gold will come in useful. My greatest concern here is corporate debt. There are billions of dollars of bonds that investors have naively gobbed up, getting higher rates. And I think a lot of these companies are virtually bankrupt, like Hertz. We will hear more about it. So, friends, stay safe, do a little selected buying if you want, and I will be on tomorrow. Bye-bye.